Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today we are going to make a very easy recipe using few ingredients and I'm sure everyone can make it with ease. If you like this video, please do subscribe the channel. It will motivate me a lot and don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's begin. For this recipe, we will be taking a large potato weighing around 200 grams. It has been peeled off. Let's slice it into thin stripes in this way. The thinner the slices, the faster it will take to cook, so it is always better to cut it into thinner slices. Let's soak it in water for a few minutes. It will help remove starch to some extent, at the same time prevent the pieces from turning brown. We will be keeping this aside for some time. Apart from one potato, we will be taking 2 eggs, finely chopped green chilies, 2 in number, salt, turmeric, all-purpose flour or Maida. To begin with, let's crack the eggs in a container. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, salt as per taste, then finely chopped green chilies, 2 in numbers, and a pinch of turmeric to enhance the color. Mix all these ingredients together. I have taken eggs with very light color yolk for this purpose, so adding a little bit of turmeric will give the desired yellow color. But then this is totally optional. You can skip adding it if you are okay with light color omelette. Choice is yours. Beat the eggs until all the ingredients are well combined. Our next step is to drain out water from the bowl containing potatoes, then bringing the slices back to be mixed together with the beaten eggs. Mix all the slices with the other ingredients nice and proper. Let's keep this aside while we are preparing for our next step. In a pan, we are going to heat up 1 tablespoon cooking oil at medium heat. The oil has started to attain heat. We can now transfer the mixture into the pan and cook at medium heat. Cover the lid and cook for another 3 minutes at low flame until the edges turn slightly brown. As we can see, the edges is changing color. Time to flip over the omelette to the other side. Wow, golden browning, which is totally fine. Let's continue cooking for another 3-4 minutes. Since the potatoes are sliced very thinly, 8 to 10 minutes of moderate heating should be just enough to fully cook the raw veggies. We are done now. So friends, I hope you will try making this easy and delicious recipe, and please do let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. That's all for today. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.